You ever notice how an empty wall can completely change the feeling of a room? It's not about spending a lot of money. It's about knowing exactly what to place and where. Today, I'm going to show you 10 quick ways to turn any blank wall into something that looks like it came straight out of a design magazine. Stay until the end, because the last idea completely changes how you think about decoration. Start with framed art compositions. You don't need one large, expensive piece. Combine multiple smaller frames instead, 3, 5, even 7 pieces working together. Mix black and white with soft tones, and focus on rhythm rather than randomness. Next, mirrors. A mirror is more than decoration. It expands the space visually. Place it across from natural light, and the entire room instantly feels bigger, brighter, and more open. Floating shelves are a simple upgrade, clean, minimal, and functional. Use them for books, plants, or objects that tell a story about you, while keeping the wall structured but not heavy. Add life with plants. Not a jungle, just intention. 1 or 2 hanging plants can break the rigidity of a wall instantly and bring a natural sense of movement and freshness. Lighting changes everything. LED strips or wall sconces create depth and dimension, and warm indirect light on a wall instantly makes a space feel more comfortable and lived in. Now, texture. Wood panels or fabric walls add instant depth and create that subtle, high-end design feeling, transforming a flat surface into something rich without adding clutter. Sometimes less is more. One strong piece of minimalist artwork, perfectly placed, can define an entire wall without needing anything else around it. But not random photos, curated memories. A visual story of your life, carefully selected, turns a wall into something personal, emotional, and meaningful. A large design clock works as a focal point. It's not just functional, it becomes a sculptural element that anchors the entire space visually. And finally, empty space. Yes, leaving a wall blank is also a design choice. Negative space creates balance, calm, and focus, and sometimes the absence of something is what makes a room feel complete. Because here's what most people never realize: you're not just decorating a wall. You're shaping how a space makes you feel. And sometimes, the smallest change completely transforms the way you live inside it.
If this content helped you, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. If you want to support the project, you can use Super Thanks. Any amount helps keep this content alive and growing. Thank you for watching and being here.